Same yensha semfri ayi strikers ne ana okay tisi de betia bodi no e kwanda ho okay yedi kan dia to manim say former player edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko Amesimba Ture so ebi wo Ghana ho otimi ba Ghana na Kotoko fo na dwa mo se hwe kwan na kwan de fa so no yempene ta obi ho ana odun kran as for just said you kobo bo no kobo friendly match kai na Kotoko fo ni dimika yempene no makofa no mo de na ba ho be Kotoko akwa hey Amesimba Ture okay player odikan attacking center forward Ivorian Usia kind of Racing Club Abidjan ena Usia kind Nidino Sylla Mohamed ono attacking center forward the friend striker no Ivorian 20 Sina kind of Racing Club Abidjan
Jibo players we na me kan ho asem
okay
Sylla na me kan ho asem me omo maka no me de Jibo ba Sylla na me kan ho asem se o hwe ne modern bona Jibo ejawum or a proper center forward.
Okay, enti on the show now obetimi adjoin here on Promise TV and afi Promise Radio on Facebook and I say Oyepa and Promise Sports on Facebook. Obetimi adjoin here and also have videos ni bi. The only thing say here no Sylla Mohamed and I will hwe ni sisi here no. Nti enche ne profile be so over so hwe ne dey. Only dey on ajibo yana.
No, on there ban, on there running no.
Okay.
For me year free so bad. Also we international under 20 of the Ivorian national team.
Na video dey hu no ne dey.
Oba on never running. Yes, on never running. Good.
Okay, on
the body movement. So they won't go back. Don't mean abetre. Mama mpre. Good. So here how or use just the body movement. And sana o take the defender on and the finishing. The calmness behind his finish. And you see, one game. But yeah, if you are starting with this video, I'm starting video, I'm come back. Baby, I would or pick a ball is something you need to consider in your conversation. Player no jina here. Or che ball ni wie no. Nyoma ben or ye can one son at ball or the baby papa. You know what I say? So let's analyze the first goal. Let's analyze this goal. Now, Jibu, on the in between on a center back, the moment and the player he started moving to space. Now, when you are born first control, no a dummy goalkeeper, and stand on a weaker foot in the ball at Tottenham. We're 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper, but check her. I obey. I hand on my goalkeeper and stretch you no close no. Into one kick ball on the first attempt.
Say Obed.
We are analysis of a player.
First attempt.
Or take ball now, or dummy goalkeeper. Now check this goal, no saying. Now, or open up the body no in a BT defender. No. Now he takes the defender on. I do not chip ball if I goalkeeper no so to attend him. So or take 3 players. What the goalkeeper can watch 3 players.
Only
we are Sylla. On na me de make can want some. Omo maka ne ba meka ne sane etie no because menya abotrash o munyina videos no enti up now here ya slide no when lose the balance e do another na yi ball no for goalkeeper no so ti wenya 2 1-on-1 with goalkeepers ni nyina technique o use ni different o ma adwuma na e din for the goalkeepers to save it and also as we water from kakra as Aguero no into sand mirika taechire and do box now on the other ball near the air. So when you look at some of these things now his stadium on and young feature this is the Premier League or Cote d'Ivoire. Now boy here how he move or take you on the goalkeeper pine the ball not to him. That's Sylla Mohamed Sadiq Sana Canadian. We or war born so back on one no you keep an free. no about to attrem
say Obed
into beka say e be one-on-one but then they lead you to the one-on-one as a striker who check how he position himself. Now look at this ball already between the spaces intijibo the movement no efe and how he's doing the finishing efe and then one match no I can say when you one good game be we are talking about 4-5 matches including the national team and or the 9 defense or the 9 benkumu say meeting on fair being share because jibo ne height and yet the idea t but some ball na nkasa da form mo fam mame wo penalty box na no ho ne de na me tum the kan koye bibi de he is doing it it is jibo he how he moves me ho na e me fe no as on players no ni o ball wa understanding be say omo jibo na oni baby on tum the kan nko
that it all be here okay
no about what him
okay
into make us say yes you any video how many chances there but this is enough for you to give such a player an opportunity to train with you now one cast out when you share
say the boy need the we dey justify
oh say
an obo board there
so wow say an obo
say be dem makajo say video ni you know
and I make us say from where I sit you know this is enough for you to give him a chance no more training and jibo adia ba ko down so say the goals no say no the movement in here how run in between defenders no most were red defender na defenders na ni be bounce no about to attend no munim de ekoso and they adia ba ko o de be na ba so as a striker goal we say build up ne banana pia ba akiri enti defenders ni nyina ni call ni fa so no dwane ko benkum e no ko tapu in obeka say simple tapping this is Racing Club Abidjan versus San Pedro. And majibo ma head nyina. And all yes adwuma we. Enti anya player biasa na he go we. Just for the wa tell me say strikers be at this particular position be babo nipa. Ball na be turn anim. Basically because say empty net there. But she how opia to put them check it to bi. Defender na ba ne namu aba ne mu wa large ne body thinking say obebo shot no apia to ase ketu abi enti obi ha obebo afu ko he no wa ba to nchen and these are qualities that you can say okay then this is a player that if you are watching him say wo to aso mama fo akwa scout no aba fo akwa monitor na you can say there's that talent, there's that quality.
We say Benjamin Diaz tell us his stats last season and his trophies.
Jibo me checking.
On checking.
I'll like you say.
Okay.
But my point is that
Obisi
player we ever justify.
Obisi good evening striker. Obed.
No me masama Jibo me can say. The news is that these players will come and the technical team will watch them. That is the news. And I make us say me ba could be inside or make actually say we there you bebre wasemu to mo bi anko ha no ho nkofa ne mba baby a di what the make say you bebre wasemu but we no share the ball now check how you connect with other players to mo ma matches awaya assist na check your assist no omo ma matches awachche am ye twa no omo ma matches wa bobo ato net and this video also, Chibo players in my home videos be 1 year ago, 2 years ago. This video is just 2 months ago. I'm gonna compile this video just 2 months ago.
Okay, just 2 months.
Just 2 months ago.
Okay, we say Afania is going to say, please take your time. Oh, hyping penny. Which one I do for or say Obed relax. Michael Ajimendia or say Ogum doesn't like players of such nature. Rashid Note has better moves, but he wasn't considered by Ogum. I want to can say. Oh, sir, we the Ebeheno. So yes, let's wait and let's get people to watch him. Okay, I said to honor people be for me. No national team on a striker. No, on a show be any yeah. And to only only now the head obey be say yeah. Jibo, we dear kakre yi dear. See a cast of me justifier who deserves so bad that judge. Kakre yi and your first occasion a channel was answered a cofa born be new. The occasions ye channel no so no akofa no contribute. What was a strikers no more tough for no. On Ajibo on answer no page adiama the fellow player.
omo boy a keeper ni save you nti eye nti se o ka so me justifier obi recommend the player we ma wa untimi ka so I recommend the player boni.
He is a good player, fine, we hear, but will he cut down his fingernails, trim down his hair, put his hand at the back whilst talking to Ogum? If he doesn't do all this, Ogum will not pick him. Nana Kwesi say the players will come, but if our man is still in charge of coaching, Nana Benin will be preferred. So they know. The national team.
We're a club level. Other one and a national team.
Okay.
Yeah, we're a club level.
Okay. Hey, penalty.
Yeah.
Striker do Obed. Zach Akwaba. Also, 2 years also here. We have videos here. Come. Is it there? The search for a they'll be replacing Mukwala and Ekoso. No. And they Sylla Mohamed. I ain't Chiba Bay trials was Asante Kotoko. Sylla the Eveni, we are Amza Kabako. Na Yamiad Moch na Eba. Yabe center back no, and number 6 no.
Okay.
Sylla the Eveni.
Okay.
So what?
Oh, my share, yeah. Only say,
that's all.
Interesting. Na se I got a community technical team no. I know they have a very rich technical team. And if they are certain about him, then it's all better because this is a player based on what we are watching, and he's playing the Ivorian top league.
Kinsley Fatoso.
Ni mo ma hwe ni mi ahwe ni mi a ni ni ta Kinsley o mo pe ni mi ahwe video no mo pa ahwe. This is a player playing for the Ivorian under 20 and 23 and about the Ivorian league. Until I me share video I just saw a game against San Pedro or game against Asek Mimosa and I said about top league no our the our Ivory Coast for. See, I have not idea say trash. No, I mean, if you think he's good, if like what's cartoon we are, you know that's 1830 born. I still the same Nkrumah say no. Echemo.
Oh, I say play with him, but now what try?
Oh,
why no?
Talk about teams now. See top. Now do much no. Why na side any be trash there. Say when top class they give trust to Unklabia talent be so but na ba trust near but things I do much in I show me na no they scout you, put your data, analyze the data. If you fit in the scheme of affairs of team now better
your recommendation
and our recommendo was what I do is that you pick your technical team, so your scout for them to monitor the player. Says good enough, fine. Must I no money agent no must agent no. But I don't accept that issue of say member trust and then sign the money. It doesn't help our football because you see now media look at media I have videos no. Mental line on it be yes social movement the composer be fine. But media look at me na mental line on videos. Bebre is a tamana energy god ever chromasi no omu ni video stress ya na efe papa just okay energy god junior kaba energy god e yi video so na ya bobora to junior kaba di medical no atene no bottom o se sa video so na ma kofiriki LDD junior kaba energy god na ba ero Kofiri ki tira se share junior kaba videos no ya bobo no tum America energy god be ko na 10 in the bibia and junior kaba was scoring goals for fun in the videos that it was given to us. So I bet you on the okay on some videos on the no na fe papa I bet you on the videos na fe Emma say sama you can find video no ba be tell about Nkrumah say amfa until you see such players I don't about Kruma say yeah. At least when you are coming, you have videos no, Bama Kruma amfa. But you see, Dino, there are different between Sa or Muno anyway. Say this guy is relatively younger than Energy God.
22 years.
Yeah, we
22 were too quiet. Abo AS Thunder. Abo Sporting Club Ganwa. So akobo kra was Serbia pen. Anambo, yes Serbia. No Croatia. I want to kobo bo. I want to free Odeba RC Abidjan. Okay. The market value no. I said the money there's a man of home. There be video of home. $25,000.
You were $25,000.
$25,000. Value of the player $25,000. Hey, Debbie. And the quarter this year, then, bra. And the whole idea. From 2022, I said 2 years ago, 25. The other can why 50, 75.
I'm passing into the world. I am going to turn and answer over free.
Obey justify. I'm saying the contract with the team na ban away. It is obey justify na Kotoko any gin hold the sign as a free agent.
Okay. Well, okay, I don't believe in those justify. No, say agent our fan ne player to you are now you because of technology, you know. You have a good technical team. Ometi am monitor no from afar.
Okay.
So Ivorian league omo nyambo we. Omo so about the Ivorian league no. Until you get time. Until we put in simple kra week omo match. No watch plane ticket. And I'm one of your able technical team guys. Go and sit down and watch him personally. So enough na. But why all this, you know, why a mistake? Or Kroma saying, just is that team? We want a team or striking. I say, you see, our striker now, you say, budget for Manchester United. Ubefeli. One of our pass now, no. How would they create a goal for you to score? Do you know what I say? Today, if you are a striker, now, what's 100 goals a season? By Robert United, say, by transfer, you feel because. At United, who will give you the pass to score the goal? Anyway, you have to just go and scout him very well. What to say the ocean match? But also, man, go at it. Ocean man, go at it. Only be able to pass over some question. And your bound the more was on Yale and Mamma. Meanwhile, they are going pa. It's a no football. Some top professional player. Some tries, and they come. And the can't check to conform. Say, if someone has offered. Mohamed Sylla Mohamed Sadiq Suka, you know. And yeah, Mamma, find time, spend money. When you take one of your technical team members, go and scout him once playing. Because I believe, sir, playing against Asante Musa, it will give you more test than some against Yahya Wuni.
Okay.
You understand? So against Asante Musa defenders, no. You see the best out of him than Yahya Wuni at Adogodache. Well, simple.
There's an again.
No, look at say, Mohamed Sylla. If you want to scout him very well, cut me never. Somebody was cutting Mohamed Sylla very well. Mohamed Sylla playing against San Pedro. Mohamed Sylla playing against Asante Musa. A bit more too far. So, the kind of test that San Pedro for defenders, no. And I said for defenders, and Mohamed Sylla be film, no. So it's cast at what over who you pay. But I don't remember what I said. No, so against the other winner. What must about 10 goals? They think that he's exceptional player. No, he's not. It's the best place to scout him is in the Ivorian league against Asante Musa and San Pedro. Not against Yahya Wuni. Well, simple, Mr. Jibo. I think that they should omit play ticket. And for more, you don't spend about 1 week or no share the 2 matches be. No for report and now say of course scout no. These are the scouting report. Then they negotiate with the agent.
I won't be interested in Tourism. because of the knowledge about the game, not say a striker. Now say all recommended striker their mom.
No, say yes, Amature is a top player, and watch a recent players out there called TV Mazambia my successful now. Actually, say at least Anya Biano is a but agent no, and yet almost no money rights. Even the best agents in the world we are seeing now, they sometimes get their players wrong. Or a player be, would you want to say, I don't know the player, Bremen. Not that, bro. It's sometimes, yes, it's good. One can a second look at the player that is being recommended to you. Now, what can you? It's if you say, you enjoy so Hamburg tires, no, maybe, if I'm a truly have recommended a striker to you, just say, striker be I'm a truly being a top striker, no. At least seeing this boy, no clear meaning. If you look at the video and his movement today, FA, it's the over here say, moves in for come say cheap labor. Cheap labor and affect you.
So just say you invest in scouting.
Yeah,
investment.
Yes, and to when come no a plane ticket.
No more correct.
No. Okay. So you watch him, but what say Omba no that you know, ya either win better can. Yeah, but against I said
yeah, what can be yeah. Say Cote d'Ivoire. No more hand the ball with racing club.
We can match be
only a better than say omde yeah who's a player
either win
about better
Amfa you fail.
Okay,
so any against either win
that say yankwa number 2. Okay, captain akwaba
yeah me open
so the one nti we the one no
ma hu dey
so we hu no
me that say dey ka won ye bia me hwe
sir
ade nya adu TV o TV dey obetuma tra ye fence tafo na dey wo kana yi na wo kana me hwe TV office nya no even though I was me support to production but I was still watching it.
Ne the what the producer.
Oh, Ajuma said do bia akakra ko na say kakra abo akakra no abo enya na yibu. The production for no call wa ayi Samuel Mensa efre for 102 ibi na me ko support you. You know, me
akwaba.
Yeah. I think say the as you speak now, Racing Club are playing against Racing Football against Kuhogo. As we speak now, Racing Club Abidjan at the second on the Ivorian League.
Korogo.
So,
about the natural.
Okay, Korogo. Okay. And as we speak, match 0-0. You can see Racing Club. I'm the second behind San Pedro. So, Racing Club no. I'm the second behind San Pedro. And he said, "Oh shit, they're very leading this year. They are doing very well." And it's just the player,
okay,
top striker.
Some of what says Akito, we the friends of Yadawuni. I'm not happy with your reference to our player. So many new.
Mr. Omo Fansame, man can you don't Fansame. What that? Omo Fansame.
But Obiago Vitama now be a PR no. Na Kwame can management to Anambwa. Or say Jibo was over the PR when we signed all the top players that were unveiled by Nana Kwame Dankwa. No, now be the a Percy Ghana Abeku was why Isaac mentioning why mentioning Yaya Dawuni. Is it that bad player? Okay.
So what the defenders one you know Baba so Bobo Bida. League venue so ebonya so someone so ho ya dey by so be captain or national team na yin you anticipate pro but you hu no say Kotoko Premier League game so obi hu na me hu ya man kan che because players no bia keke obi ono kwan ya da huni so top defender so music na sema me ka say this guy Acheko dribble any discussion be man na say we da huni keke bo aba on so player obi bu ndia na say some more kan you dear almost on tombo no why it is back on your bonus because we go play and this is the player captain so no more for national team our kwaba
Okay. Mr. Kwame also don't also donate the abandon contributions. Jibo, please send the video to me. Don't allow only Ober to make judgments. Zach seems to have problems with our everything we do here in Ghana and Africa. Anyway, some players can easily be identified even by 10 minutes performance.
That is true.
So Jibo, now me check here the evidence. The last match, now I was checking matches on.
How many goals match?
You struggle to get that data here. So I'm struggling to get that data, but match back on shade 2 and he was on the score sheet. I'm just going through their matches. Mahube 4 matches are you?
No. The difference between we any area players are eba I recommend them on by be Mfano and say no. Yeah, na if you don't want to Europe no more by now they are not actively playing in the league, no. The current league no more. By we no. Okay. Oh, as I'm talking to you now. And
I think he's not a starter.
Oh, he's
not a starter.